Hi there, it's Paul. Just wanted to show you a quick guaranteed profit investment I'm about to make. I'm going to share it on screen so you can see what it's about. I'm going to make 10% guaranteed profit. Now, this doesn't happen very often, but I just want to highlight that this is a possibility. I have absolutely no risk in losing money on this trade. And this is all thanks to the VCCrowd, the investment club I've been a member with since 2015. Absolutely brilliant place to be a member. Every month you pay your subscription, you receive shares in early stage and startup companies up to the same value of your subscription. So the rest of it you're getting as a free bonus of being a member of the club. You get access to the live webinars, you get access to the free trading, you get access to all sorts of things and the real benefits. So a lot of people just see the club like a savings plan on steroids, but allows you to get in early with those companies before they potentially become very big companies. You know, if you manage to get £1,000 of investment or $1,000 of investment in a company worth, say, £10 million or dollars, that company then goes on to become $100 million company. It's up tenfold. So you turn 1,000 into £10,000. That's the power of early stage investing. Anyway, enough of that. If you do want to join the VCCrowd, there's a link in the description. You'll get up to £250 $300 worth as a welcome bonus when you become a paying member of the club. So you pay your monthly subscription, you'll get that welcome bonus on top as well. So well worth having that. But I'm going to show you this guaranteed profit. Now, if we come, first of all, let me go to time and date just to prove what time we're at. So it's currently 2:39 Tuesday afternoon, 19th of September 2023. So let's go back to my account at VCCrowd. And first thing I want to show you is just a few moments ago, I purchased 100 shares in Happy Drinks for 50 pence each. Now that's an absolute bargain, but I want to record this video and show you how I can lock in a guaranteed profit. But generally speaking, I'm acquiring shares in Happy Drinks, but here's a quick profit. I'll go back, put another order in for some more later, but just to show a quick guaranteed profit. So I've purchased 100 shares, 50 pence each, so that's a total cost of £50. That is it. Now you get the free trading as a member, a fully paid member with VCCrowd, you get free trading. So if we come into the trading section here, we go to the private section. So these are companies you cannot trade on the stock market. This is an internal member to member only section. We can see here Happy Drinks, and we'll look at the latest offers in here. And within Happy Drinks, first of all, you get a brief description of what the company is about. You see your own shareholding, you see the current share price, you see the value. These are worth £1.50 each, according to latest accountancy figures and so on. And on the sell ask offers on the right hand side here, this is where I saw someone selling 100 shares at 50 pence each. So I bought those because there was a brilliant opportunity. Initially, there's 115 that someone wants to buy at 51, so that was a guaranteed profit, and that had been in there for a couple of days. But someone else has put an order in here because these people are wanting to acquire these shares. Someone else has put an order. They want to buy 100. They're prepared to pay 55 pence. So I bought them at 50 pence just a few minutes ago. I can now sell them at 55 pence. That's a 10% gain. And this is what it's all about. It's all about relative figures. I know it's only £50 and 55, but it's all about relative figures. If you can make a 10% guaranteed gain on your money in a potentially very short space of time, that is a trade well worth having. So let's go and see this so we can. So I'm going to sell some of my shares. So I'm going to pick up. So this someone is willing to buy 100 shares at 55 pence each. So I'm going to sell the selected. So I've selected that offer there. I'm going to sell when it's selected. Sorry, it says select two offers, right? So we click on the sell on this right hand side. That takes us through to the confirmation page. So we're selling the 100 shares that I just bought for £50, now selling for £55. That makes me £5 pure profit, 10% pure profit. There we go, we've got success. And it's as simple as that. And VCCrowd, the internal market there, is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's absolutely fantastic. It's not a huge amount of liquidity. I'm not doing this all the time every day, but occasionally, if you keep your eye on it, you can spot those bargains, lock yourself a guaranteed profit. That was a really small one, but fundamentally 10% is 10% profit. And in this day and age, if you can get 10% of your money in a year, you are well ahead of inflation and you're going to be doing very well. But fundamentally, VCCrowd is about getting those shares early on in companies that become the next huge success stories. So for instance, we got investments in this company a few years ago called LifeSafe Technologies. They're now on the stock market. So there's a great exit potential there with a big upswing on the price there. This is a 5-in-1, actually, an all-in-one fire extinguisher. Very unique. Their sales are doing very well. They're now on the stock market. But VCCrowd, through VCCrowd, we got involved in that really early on. Now, you don't need to know anything about stock market, anything about investing. Most people just come, join the club, pay their monthly subscription, get their shares every month, and just let it build. Have a 5 to 10 year view, medium to long term view. And some of these companies could grow on to become absolute monsters. And if you've got £1,000, $1,000, €1,000, this is a worldwide club, but if you've got a relatively small investment in any one of those companies, if it goes on for 100-fold return, and that's what some of these companies have the potential to do, then you're talking about life-changing sums of money with a very small capital risk in the first place. So that's what I love about VCCrowd. Like I said, been with them since 2015 and got a really substantial portfolio now. Highly recommend. And there you've seen another element of VCCrowd, locking in potential guaranteed profits every now and again, just scalping those shares in there. Hopefully you found that interesting. If you'd like to know more, there's a link in the description where you can go and join VCCrowd. Like I said, you get a bonus of up to £250 worth of welcome shares on top of the shares you get by being a simple member of the club. Do reach out to me if you've got any questions, and do subscribe to the channel, because I like to give tips how to make money, also how to preserve your money, how to avoid scams, but also how to find these genuine opportunities. I hope you found that useful, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.